Hey guys, so I want to talk to you a little bit about your childhood memory paper revisions today. You should have gotten an email with pictures of what your mistakes were, and I've already numbered your mistakes for you. Okay, my revisions, as you can see, like this one, my revisions are in orange, and then the numbers are written in blue. And you should have gotten pictures that kind of let you know um, what the mistake was. And if they're not clear enough, let me know. I can send you another picture. But basically, you'll know how many you need to complete based on, kind of the last number on your paper, right? So I've got a sample one here, and we can see 7 mistakes, right, in this picture. So the 3 underlines, that is a capitalization mistake, right? If you have a slash through an uppercase letter and it says LC above it, that means it needs to be lowercase. If you have a circle with R-O, that means you need a comma there. If you have a circle with a dot in it, that means you need a period. If you have a circle with a dot and a comma, that means you need a semicolon. If you have a circled word and it says no contraction, that means that if it was don't, it needs to become do not or something like that. So if you have an X or a line through something, that means it needs to be deleted, things like that. All right. So hopefully it's clear what the mistake is, but if you're not sure, just let me know. Just like say, send me an email referencing the number, like, Miss McLean, I don't understand what number 3 wants me to do, and I can take a look at it because I have all your originals right here. So basically what your revisions are going to look like for each number, you're going to have an A and a B, right? So if I was just doing these 7, I would have 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and so on and so forth. All right. So 1A is always my mistake was, right? So you can see here in number 1, the mistake was that they didn't capitalize the word Barbie, right? Which is a proper noun. So 1A, my mistake was I did not proper noun. And B. Okay. So I got my sentence. My mistake was that I didn't capitalize proper noun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the mistake to show that I fixed it, right? My mistake was that I didn't do Barbies, right? And so you'll notice there are multiple mistakes in this first sentence, right? We actually have 2 mistakes in this first sentence, but it's still 2 separate sentences, right? So my 2A, my mistake was that I did not use an apostrophe to show ownership. Okay. And then 2B. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste this. And what I would do is, because you guys have the originals, I would just copy and paste these sentences and make sure that you fix them. And that'll make your life a lot easier. So we're going to get rid of this one, and we're going to change this to neighbors, right? Because the neighbor owns the house. So there's not like there's multiple neighbors. And we're going to highlight that. Okay. So you would do that for all of the mistakes in your paper, as many as you have, right? Some of you have a lot, some of you have a little, but that's what you're going to be doing. So then you will upload this document to the childhood memory paper revision assignment. And this taken together with your original paper is going to be a test grade. It's going to be an essay grade. Okay. So hopefully this makes sense to you. If you're not sure what something means, just let me know. But it should be pretty clear what the problem is and that kind of stuff. All right. If you need different pictures, or if you want to come get your original, you can. I just need to make sure that I get that original back so that I can grade your original papers. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing your revisions. Bye, guys.